Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, July 8th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on gold versus the dollar, I think it's very clear we have a wave 1, a wave 2, and we're most likely in subdivisions of a wave 3. I still think that the most likely place for this wave 3 to end is the 161.8 or maybe even higher, right around the $2,500 area is my minimum target for this wave 3 before we start a wave 4 and make a wave 5. So heading down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think it's very, very clear this is a wave 1, this is a wave 2, and this is all subdivisions of a wave 3. This is like a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, and most likely we are in that wave 5 of 3, which I think will take its way all the way up to about the 161.8 fib, which is right around the $2,550 area. So bringing it down to the daily time frame, I think way back here we have the end of a wave 3. This is like an ABCDE of wave 4. And if this is the beginning of a wave 5, then most likely we're only in a 1, 2, 3 of that wave 5. Most likely on these daily, weekly time frame, it is going to continue to make higher highs, higher lows, which will all form subdivisions of this wave 5 of wave 3. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, definitely looks like this first 5 waves is a wave 1 and this is an ABC of 2, which means we're probably in subdivisions of a wave 3. Most likely this wave 3 is not even really close enough to being big enough. I mean, it is right around the 161.8 Fibonacci extension, so it does make a lot of sense that we are going down right now. Most likely this move down is going to form like a wave 4 and probably go up for a wave 5. But looking at the higher time frames, I think that we have a lot of upside trend potential left. So I think it's probably more likely this is not a 3, 4, 5. It's probably more likely just subdivisions of a bigger wave 5 trend on the daily and weekly. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, to start with, we only have a Fibonacci on the last push up, the last nice impulsive engulfing move to the upside. I'm personally looking for at any moves to the downside as nothing but a correction to the uptrend, at least until the higher time frames tell me otherwise. I'd like to see some sort of a three-way pattern down to one of these Fibonacci retracement levels. If I could see, like 1, 2, 3 down, or ABC down, and then a nice impulsive engulfing move at a Fibonacci level, that would be exactly what I would be looking for my next entry to go long for the continuation of what I think we are currently in a wave 3 of wave 5, which if you go all the way up to the weekly monthly time frame, this wave 5 is actually just a subdivision of the big wave 3 on the weekly and monthly time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.